na pedengkin riu pulai ngut ki Samla puli ki bawan ya khon ye ke exam jong ka National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Neet UG kiladon ki bala Ktah jur Khlem dala ban pendep ya ka Thoh ya ka ni ke examination ka badai na ka daw ka Jingthor mor ha ka basam ki question paper ki ba ya khon ye ka ni ke examination kani ka Jingthor mor ban sam ki question paper ling ba ka National Testing Agency NTA kadai ka bala pau perthai ha ka santarik ujemmang arja apusaw baya kani ke examination la pelong ha Alpha English Higher Secondary School kum kawai na ka code center bala je da ka National Testing Agency kumbala pau ha kani ka jingjia la ong bala sam hadu artli ki question paper shaki Samla bawan Thoh e kani ke examination jong ka Neet kata kawai ke question paper kabawan na ka State Bank of India bat kawai pat kabawan na ka Canara Bank bat day hadin Ktah shiteng bala ya ke examination na kaliang ki bor ba pe ya ka center kila yo Jingtip ba kawai na pedang ki te ki artli ki question paper set kadai ka ba Bakla bat bon ki Samla ki kumpelut ya ka por ban pendep shwai ki Jingkylli jong ka question paper ka ba Bakla bat ki hab ban Thoh biang na kawai Khlem da ai por biang ya ki ha ka ba ki hab ban pendep tang Ktah shiteng kabaki day ban yo e kapor ban Thoh lai kanta kat kum kapor bala bu
nengkok nge kisam atli ka paper ha ka jo kapor te habang ikli ya ki kano bangin de ban Thoh ki ong ban Thoh lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban Thoh shwa ka eru ki ong Thoh lang baro al tingir ngi Thoh lang baro al ke ki don ki ba Thoh shwa ka to ka badai don ki ba Thoh shwa ka bom day begitu ki bom ba Thoh pare ka bom day pat kilo kisuan ong no par hamar siteng jong ka exam bakam deir ka to Thoh no ka to ka ba R1 te kum nongin Thoh pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam baru ka por kin ai kendiat bahaga extra yang ni kata aba long bakan syai bat bangin Thoh be yang sesisin nama kenang bangin sutu ya ka e ka balaj bat ka e ka badai tang kata
me as a brother, I feel very concerned about a student who attempted the Neet UG yesterday because regarding the distribution of paper, two set of paper, in which one is false, one is the correct one. So in which my sister or brother who read the examination yesterday, after coming out they cry and they feel very bad. Then I was asking them what happened. Then they tell me that they got two set of paper, in which one they attempt more than 2 hours. So before starting the examination, they are asking which one should write. Invigilator is telling that they should write both the paper. So the student obviously they know they give two set of paper, then they choose the easily one. Then 1.5 hours. After 2 hours like that, they came and said that the one you are writing is wrong, so you should change the set of paper. Then the student they tried to complete as far as the end. Then to complete it, to complete the 720 marks within 1 hour 20 minutes is impossible. So they feel very sad after completed the exam. They came and complained us as the parent or brother. Me as a brother, my demand is to the NTA they should re-exam again the student who had a failure yesterday. Then and they should consider it because they don't send any expert from their side. Then they should have some solution to solve the issue. I want to tell to the NTA to consider the student yesterday who have exam here in Alpha Higher Secondary School, because they don't get the same opportunity like other center examination, because they miss more than 2 hours for the Neet exam. It is impossible to complete within 1 hour 20 minutes to complete 720 marks.
Complete sebentar, nata Jingkylli. Hai, apa ini berkata jingjak malah jahanin, long bah hadin baki kena kilami da exam, kadang kejing ayam kejing sursi sini sabar. Teh abang ilat tempat cimut, berkeli i, balik belajar kumta, nagaliang jengki ki ong bang Khlem on pendaplut untuk exam. Namar bah agak jaka bakapur kanong like kenta nabanta news part format tiap anak tiap mang jing Shah khat sau spa sau kumak te anda bang ila kli bai ni khna ki ong ba don gi batho da kata ka arwon kabade gane ka we baton gi batho da gane ka artu kane gade ka arwon kane gade ka entu te khna hagama sedang gila tho da kane ka ping kabade ka entu gila jandap mo gila tho da kane ka entu gila jandap almost complete te siteng ni ta ka porpat inaga yang ni gi bot nya yang nen kat instructor ki ong ba kani kam desu cancel no batho bade da kane ka arwon te ha kapor bagila asdang mentho ini ka arwon pat kapor galan kot palat yo por satang ku maskin tai te na galyang ni ki ai por tang ar minit men penda bantho news pa aku mak tang sikenta ar minit kalong e ka ba than ni khna te dei nai tai dau hadin bal awai ka tai ngilang ke ndu i principal ne te principal ni ong ba kamle ki jing bakla ne le khnang namar ba na galyang jong gi bor ba dei pha na NTA ki pha art ligi set kata ga wena kanara bang ka ba dei gane Banas SBI kabade gane ka ba stem ne te kila cancel no bat kila ong kumta bade bela ikna te haita ipor balangkot ngilawan kendu i mla on sim no ka destination mo te kane ki priang bat kane ki cancel te habang ilai kendu i principal i mla ban ai kana ka clarification habide bat kita ki fina te ki si ong bai ka jing bakla ka di nangta te ha ka basdang ni ro yang ni ngila ong hito su hun la ka hun ne komno ande anda bang ila lit saying ngilap i phun na gi wi phun call don gi basu si don gi bala yam don gi ba bom te thia te dam su na ga dau ba kimi tho da kata ka exam ni pi te kan ne pi kala penlong ye ki kimi gi pa penlong artetin bakane ka jing kendok ene ka exam nang bakane ka NTA kala long ka jing bomhon kala long on fair means mo kala long jing bomhon te bang Ktah bat kalawi jong gi khna habai dei baka pule dang le jong ki kala long ka ka pop na ki pop ko basni tam mal bangimla ban ya sacrifice de bat ka fisher jong gi khna te lengba jong gi ne inten te nang liang jong ni ngilai kendu ya imam bangilai rai lang menta ban da ka we gi jingmut rangkat i madam nang ne bade sentar kut bat mangi ki kimi pa jong gi ne khna bangin pha segi bor de pet rangkat ki signature jong khna school ne gi khna ele kene Neet bakin san bat tho i kerteng bat ki school jong ki te tang tahi benta bang kwa nang liang jong ni.
Number one, actually we were very happy as a school to accept Center for the Neet exams because we thought that we can serve our people around this area better. They won't have to go far away anywhere like in that way. We were very, readily accepted the thing, that the responsibility, and we said we will go ahead with it. Then we had prepared, of course we did not get to go for the orientation program call to Delhi because it was not possible. Short notice they had given, and we are not free also to go there. And then number two is that we had tried to go for orientation online, but the thing is always full. We really did not get literally. So with the number of institutions that they have, the centers all over the country. So what happened is we had strictly read the guidelines given by the NTA. We had followed strictly by those, and there was nowhere in the guideline that we will be given 2 sets of questions. And so we informed the Deputy Commissioner. He had appointed a magistrate to follow an order. He had written to the SP for security, and then for all uninterrupted supply of power and the Wi-Fi connection and all of that stuff. They were very helpful and supportive, and then we were happy. And then on Friday, the SBI branch manager called me and said, "Ma'am, you can come and collect the NTA parcel on Sunday, 1 hour before exams." I said, "Fine, okay, 1 o'clock I'll come." And then Saturday he sent a message. He said, as per NTA guidelines, you can collect even at 9 o'clock. So we don't want to keep the people for too long in the bank. And then so I said, okay, fine, I'll come and collect at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. Then yesterday morning, that was Sunday, I got a call from the branch manager of the Canara Bank, and he said, "Ma'am, there's a parcel for you in connection with NTA Neet exams." I said, okay. Being the first time, I thought I had just to go and collect it. So went and collected the box, the parcel from the Canara Bank as well. So we came here, I think the box could not be opened until 1:15, and so like that. And then after opening the box, everything was set, the biometric team had come, frisking was done, all of that thing, the rooms were set and all. And then we opened the box, and what happened is we found both the boxes, and we found that there are two sets of questions of 720 marks each. So we said maybe since I tried calling the director of NTA, sending message to them. Absolutely, I find that there's such lack of communication from their side. So then I said maybe the students who had gone for coaching, I think they know that they will be getting two sets, and maybe the easier one they'll choose, and then they'll submit accordingly. And then when the exam started, and then about another 1.5 hour, 1 hour plus, I got somehow to call the thing, because I checked with the attendance sheet, the sheet of the students. I think there's only one place to fill up the Ktah, the thing itself. So I said I should somehow get the message. I called some people from NTA who are, I think they said, no, we are not in the exams. Exam people will know. So somehow I got the director, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I got him and he said, oh, he just said, you should have given the SBI question bank. I said, so we didn't know.
Which is the correct one?
Maybe, according to him. We didn't know because we got two boxes. Nobody had told us that do this or do that. And so if I don't give to the students, it's like a bank one or SBI, and it's depriving the students. But then whatever it is, we had served the SBI set of questions first. Then sometimes we give the Canara Bank set of questions. And then I think then afterwards, when I got about 1 hour plus, I got the director. Then he said, oh, you give only the SBI one, like that. Then I said, okay. Then we went back, collected the papers of the Canara box, so to say. Let me just say that to make it simpler. So collected them, but some students had done that first. Okay. So then, but then others, they had started with State Bank. Not all of them are thing. They had just, we gave the first one, they had gone.
According to the trees.
Yes. And then when when time came, like 5:30 and all that, I said, okay, we made some. There was a slight confusion there a bit, so we'll give them extended time. So I went to the rooms and I just said, okay, it's time for us to close. That was before 6 o'clock. It's time for us to close, but let's do it, because I think none of them stood up and say, ma'am or sir, we have not completed. It would have been very nice if students had stood up and say, ma'am, we have not done. Okay, maybe they're scared or confused, quoting that. Also, I cannot blame the students. But the thing is, NTA should have given a strict instruction or whatever. Communication is so much lacking. Till now, we don't know what to do with the box that's already here, packed. Yes, we had done all videography, we had done photography, everything's done, and I apologize to the parents from the center side because of the kind of a slight hitch there. It was not intentional. We actually, as a center, we want to help our own people in this area, and we are very happy to serve, and we look forward to the NTA having more communication with all the centers. And I think there are other centers which made more previous mistake,
yes,
in fact, as it is, which is very sad. So we have the parents here who had come just now, the delegation of parents and some students, and they wanted us to communicate with NTA whether they can sit and resit for the exams, the same exams or not. So for us, we want to help. If NTA allows, we can conduct the exams again anytime.
From your statement, you are trying to
so I told the parents, I said, write an application of some sort, a memorandum of some sort, because unless they write, I cannot forward anything, I cannot communicate anything. So they have to give me in official, an official memorandum and say like that happened, and that's what they wanted. So the same thing I will communicate with NTA. the city coordinator, which I don't know who is. Yes.
Okay.
And the ones who had come here from NTA are not for the exams. They had come just for, those the preparing
Arrangement.
the arrangement. Yeah.